syempre si Yaya.
Yes!
I really, kasi up to this point, wala, ano, screen lang eh. On-screen lang lahat ng mga nagaganap eh. So,
Ina-anticipate mo ba yung moment na nakikita mo? Ano magiging reaction mo? Ano kung sasabihin mo sa kanya?
no, I like the Kalye serye, I would like it to be on the spot. I don't wanna overthink on things kasi that might ruin the moment.
Okay, aside from movies, album, GMA
Yes,
Records,
second album. The first one was with Universal, then GMA Records.
So this will come out on October.
October. Yes, October po. Come on.
So, did you get a chance to pick kung anong songs yung pinutan?
So ilang songs ba ito? Anong type of songs?
The contract is for 10 songs, pero for the first half of the contract, we'll release 5. So I've recorded 2 songs na. One is original, and the second one is cover. Yung cover, ako, magugulat sila kung ano to, pero I'm sure alam nila.
Hindi, pinapagay kasi favorite ng mga tapos yung
God gave me you. Twiggle lang.
Meron ba nun?
Meron ba?
Secret. Pero yung isa sa mga naging signature songs, dami na. Dami kami kinakanta everyday. May na-record namin isa for the album.
Wow. Hindi ko pwede sabihin.
Hey,
Wala pa silang sample-sample.
Sir Berdali na yun.
Oo.
Twiggle lang. Yes.
Pero ang title ng album wala pa rin.
Wala pa rin po. Still, and every title po of the original composition is still on the working process. Yes.
Pero may nag-record ka na dalawa.
Dalawa po. And then I would really like to include one praise song, a religious song. And I made it up at least. Meron isa.
Pero ganun, at least meron kayo yung team na inspired din.
Yes.
Pasasalamat na rin.
So, yes po.
Of course, aside from movies, TV shows, and endorsements, naman natin.
Ay, Diyos ko!
Meron na ba?
Praise the Lord. I mean,
Meron na.
I really can't say much.
Yes, of course. Pero pagdating siguro na, paglabas na ito, malalaman mo.
Kailan po ba yun? September 9.
September 9, hindi pa. So,
Pero so far,
Pwede ko ba sabihin?
konting hint lang.
Ang daming blessings. That's how I can say this. Ang dami po. Sobra.
Ayan. Tapos, syempre, kailangan natin medyo. May mga
Hindi, unahin mo natin. Kasi i-open namin yung floor for the Dubsters.
Yeah.
Yung mga gusto nila itanong sa iyo. So, we'll give you the
That's
phone.
not
Ayun. So, sa pep.ph on sa Periscope, may mga nagtanong doon.
Live to live.
Ayan. Si Unina Santena, sabi niya, at Pepperds, maraming artist ang umamit ng paghanga kay May. Ito ba ay, ano ang impression? Crush mo ba si May?
First impression.
First impression na lang.
First impression to yung sa mga namin.
Hindi, kay Yaya.
Okay.
Si May na.
Yeah. Like I said earlier in the interview, I think she's a very fun person, walang dull moments to be with, and parang sobrang enjoying to be in her company. That's my first impression. And I think that still is.
Ano pa ba?
Sabi
Napabasa mo ba?
at Lily the Ring, sabi niya, I bet from heaven his mom seeing his achievement today. What is he going to tell her?
Oh. Ano ba?
Ano sasabihin sa
Sabihin ko, all of her dreams and yung mga pangarap ko sa akin before it's happening. And sana happy siya. I'm doing this for her still. No one else. Since I started, since day one. It's for my mom, not for me. It's all up for her.
Kasi
Pangarap. So like, you were happy. Ayun, saya feeling.
Very proud of you.
Tapos ayan, si at Beverly Ann, sabi niya, marunong po bang magluto si ate?
Oo, no.
Si Chef Boy.
Si Chef Boy next door. Marunong naman, yung mga kaya-kaya naman ako. Kasi I guested in quite a few shows of GMA. Yung mga, like Mars, or yung mga Pop-Top, ganyan. Kay Chef Boy, Idol sa Kusina. nagluluto rin ako talaga.
So,
So,
favorite dish?
karin.
But,
Specialty mo, ha?
Yun ang kaya kong lutuin, but yung favorite ko talaga na hindi ko pa na-try lutuin is Wokis. Wokis eh. Yes. Hindi nerds yan, isaw.
oh, alam niya ang bakit.
Ito cute to. Sabi ni @Pepperlers, paano niya na-maintain ang kagwapuhan niya?
Uy!
Maintenance to.
Maintenance.
Yun nga, it's really, it's a willpower. I mean, it's how you see the situations that's coming to you. Kasi ako, I always think of the positive of everything. Doon lang ako, optimistic. And yun, eat right, take a lot of rest if possible, and ano ba, vitamins, napaka-importante. Tsaka of course, yung happy disposition, above all else.
Ayan. Thank you sa Pepsters na
Yes.
bigay ng kanilang mga
Marami pa,
questions.
pero ano, yun. Marami pa, pero...
Yung mga iba nilang na mga ngasingan kasi na questions na tanongin natin sa Peppa kung kailangan abangan nila ng Peppa episode to know more about Albert.
Yes. Let's go now to Fast Talk. Ano, magbibigay kami